Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this episode, we will be learning about a vulnerability called pre-account takeover or bypass of email confirmation authentication. So, to understand the attack scenario, let us consider that we know the email address of a person or a victim, and we just created an account with it, set up a password, and created an account on the application. Now, at the last step, the application will send a email confirmation link to the victim's inbox. As we don't have the access to his or her inbox, we can't very completely verify our account on the application. So we will not be granted all the access to the account. So uh, now the catch is when the user signs up using Google OAuth or Yahoo OAuth or something else, he or she will be connected with the account which we have created, and our email or the email address in our account will get verified. So to demonstrate it, let us just create an account with this email, and let us set up a password. And we have created our account. So now when we head towards our uh, account section, we can see that this is unverified. See, this is unverified. So let's click on unverified and send a verification email to our email address. See, this is the verification link sent to our email. Now let's set up the name to demonstrate that the attack works. Let's set up something and save changes. So see, our name is ROUX Roy. So just sign out of the account. We are signing out of the account, and let's open another browser. For example, open Washington Post. Let's sign in. We will be signing up. So this is the sign up process done by the victim. So when we click on continue with Google, and 03 post, we can see that we have logged in to the account, and see the name is ROUX Roy. So this is the scenario that, like, we have created the account with another person's email address, and we haven't verified it from our side as well. But as soon as the users uses Google OAuth to log in inside the account, the email will be verified. To explain what I'm trying to say is this. And let's move to the account section. We can see that the email address is verified. So this is the complete attack scenario, and I have tried to explain it the best way possible and the easiest way possible. And to let you know that this vulnerability will be considered as P4, and sometimes some programs also demote it to P5 or informative. So it depends, but if you create, it's quite easy to test actually, in according to me. So yeah, try it on the sign up page or anywhere you can see Google OAuth. I hope I see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.